Want to talk about your day in English without pausing or thinking? Learn 10 daily routine phrases you can use every day.
Cherish English.
Welcome to Cherish English, the place where you will boost your grammar, sharpen your speaking skills, and speak real English with confidence every day. Let's go from morning to night. Repeat after me. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Get out of bed. I get out of bed slowly on Mondays. Take a shower. I take a quick shower every morning. Have breakfast. I usually have toast and coffee for breakfast. Go to work. School. I go to work by bus. Start work. Class. My work starts at 9. Have lunch. I have lunch with my coworkers. Finish work. Class. I finish work at 5. Relax. I watch Netflix to relax. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. These phrases help you speak fluently about your day. Try using them in full sentences. Your challenge. Write 3 sentences about your day using these words and share them in the comments. Example: I wake up at 6 and take a shower right away. Subscribe and come back tomorrow. Day 6 is about how to start any conversation in English. This was Cherish English. See you on day 6.